Gage Plabato, open racing in front, second by Seeds of Wisdom. In the early part, moving up now on the outside is Royal Gia. And out straight they travel Royal Gia, followed now by Arranque. Is running by the wheel, second Seeds of Wisdom. It is still Royal G leads by Langkania, followed by Arranque. 2 lengths back to Seeds of Wisdom. Alongside now Sangandaan, then followed by Devoted Minstrel. Moving up by Release Lifetime. Then next on line is Raya's Angel, while Dandino is running in a tail of the field. Halfway down a trouble. It is still Royal G moving up by Release Lifetime. And running in third on the outside, Arranque, Seeds of Wisdom, Devoted Minstrel. And rushing up Raya's Angel, Dandino, while Sangandaan is now running in a tail of the field inside the last 300 is a Royal G. Lifetime na the outside and Seeds of Wisdom as they hit the final turn with Royal G leads by some 3 lengths over Lifetime and Seeds of Wisdom running in third, moving up now in fourth, Raya's Angel, Devoted Minstrel, and finally still Royal G, followed by Lifetime. Close, Raya's Angel, Seeds of Wisdom, Perpentapecta, Devoted Minstrel.
5, 6, 7, 3, 8. Right. Banderan tapos. Royal G.